Korean Idioms Episode 1 고래 싸움에 새우등 터진다. 고래 싸움에 새우등 터진다. An innocent bystander gets hurt in a fight. 고래 싸움에 새우등 터진다. Let's start with the first part, 고래, which means whale. In this idiom, the whale represents a significant conflict or dispute. The next part, ssaweome, which means fight, indicates that this conflict involves some form of disagreement or battle. Now, let's look at saeu, which means shrimp. In our idiom, the shrimp represents something smaller, perhaps an innocent bystander or someone not directly involved in the conflict. Finally, we have deung 터진다, which means back is broken, signifying the impact or consequences. When the whale fights and the shrimp is involved, something breaks or goes wrong, just like a shrimp's back being broken. So when we say 고래 싸움에 새우 등 터진다, we mean that in a big conflict or dispute, unintended consequences or harm may befall those who are not directly involved. And there you have it. The next time you come across the idiom 고래 싸움에 새우등 터진다, you'll know it's about the repercussions of conflict affecting even the bystanders. Stay tuned for more Korean idioms in our next episode. 감사합니다. 다음에 또 봐요. See you later.